Good morning everyone. This is Ishita, your host for the event. We are live with Mr. Mahesh Saluja to discuss the real estate trends of Pune and why Pune is the first choice for all buyers. Mahesh Saluja is the head of sales and marketing for Pune region with Kolte Patil Group. In his tenure of 6 years at Kolte Patil, he has been instrumental in drafting the growth and success of the organization with his impeccable expertise and talent. With his result-driven and focused-oriented work habits, he has been able to take Kolte Patil to a next level. So we would like to hear from him his experience. He has been an expert in the real estate industry and he has a rich experience of 24 years in this industry. So let us hear from him, like why Pune, what is the reason that we should invest in Pune, and when is the right time to invest in Pune, and which are the areas in Pune we should invest. So thank you sir for your time today. Let us start with the first question. So we would like to know from you that how is Pune as an investment option?
Growth in real estate property prices in Pune will remain positive as it continues to be an ITES hub, education and manufacturing hub as well. Definitely this will offer significant growth opportunities and keep the end user demand high. If you see across Pune, there are numerous flyovers and subways being constructed across the city. Widening of roads to improve the infrastructure, and this has improved the traffic conditions in the city and made travelling very easier. Overall, Pune is expected to register a positive growth. Of course, that will be driven by the commercial growth potential of the city. The ITES industry in the west and the east Pune, in addition to the manufacturing, automobile industry in north Pune will add to the growth. The demand, of course, from the NRIs, Mumbai, ROM will add to the growing demand of the market. Pune, as everyone knows, is also the part of the smart city project, and hence we expect to see a lot of development in the future.
Okay, so taking this further, we are presently experiencing a negative sentiment in the market. People are not ready to invest in the property at present, so they are expecting that property prices will drop further. So we would like to know from you that what is your thought in the same? What do you feel that you belong to a renowned real estate industry? What is your thought process in the same?
It's true fact that people feel that the prices will drop further, but in reality the economics doesn't fit in perfectly. The property prices are expected to remain stagnant for sure, maybe for some time now, but eventually I think an increase of at least 10 to 15% in the long run, I think will definitely, we will have to see that. Personal experience where I witness, there is no slowdown at present at all. The last 6 months, which if you ask me right from April, I think they have been fantastic. In fact, if you ask me in terms of the growth for my particular company, I think April, May, June were the best quarters in the last 3 years.
Okay. Sir, taking this forward, looking to the growth of Pune, I would like to know that what are the major reasons which are adding to the growth of Pune?
Pune, if you see Pune in terms of the growth, the proposed ring road, which is like 170 kilometer road, it's been divided into 4 parts to divert the vehicular traffic from Mumbai, Pune, Solapur highway and roads like Pune, Nasik, Pune, Ahmednagar and Pune, Satara, otherwise passing through the city. Of course, the preparation of the detailed project report is still underway and the project is expected to see a completion by 2020. But this will definitely be beneficial to the Pune as a city. The second thing I think what I would like to say is the BRTS. The BRTS between Aun to Rawet and between Sankarpadi and Vishrantwadi is already operational for last 1 year, while the rest of the bus routes like the Kalewadi Fata, the Dehu, Alandi, Nasik Fata, Wakar, Nigdi, Dapodi, Nagar Road. Now these are some top prime areas where I think BRTS are expected to be completed by 2016-17. In the Pune Metro project, I think 4 lines running across north, south and east, west I think will add to the demand as well. PCMC infrastructure, I think one of the best, means you can term it as world-class infrastructure with respect to road network, which provided inhabited access to various regions of Pune. The last thing I think what Pune provides an ideal buying opportunity to the home buyers, with the developers shifting their attention to the affordable homes. So if the demand is understood efficiently, then the growth of the sector is definite because supply will be equal to demand.
Okay, so we understand that Pune is seeing a lot of growth and there are a lot of factors which are adding to the growth of Pune. So also we would like to know one more thing, that at present what you are experiencing, it is an investor driven market or it is an end user driven market, and what is the basic need of the market, like what is the price bracket in which people are looking in the property, and how is the market actually looking into the terms of the demand in the market, how the demand in the market is shaping up.
See, Pune is witnessing an absorption from end users in the budget range of around 1.5 to maybe 5 million, mostly 2 BHK. That has been an affordable kind of product which is there because of the affordable pricing. There is popular demand from the young IT crowd. More than 50% of the demand definitely is for the 2 BHK because they would like to buy maybe as a first home, or maybe they are just upgrading from their 1 BHK. Pune provides an ideal buying opportunity to the home buyers, with the developers shifting their attention now to the affordable homes. The present demand and the requirement of home buyers, Pune market is majorly ruled by the first home buyers at present, and that is where I think the market is responding to right now, because most of the products, if you see, which are there right now constructed by the developers, is suiting to the end user in terms of price and in terms of the product size.
Okay. Now, so we can say that this is presently you are experiencing an end user driven market.
Absolutely.
Yes. So now, if I would like to invest in a Pune property, and I would ask you for a recommendation from your side, that which are the best areas in Pune where I should invest at present, so that as an investor I gain my profit, or I look into my ROI and everything. So which are the places would you recommend a person if they would like to invest in Pune?
I think as an expert, if you ask me, maybe I will put all my bets to Kuradi, Vagoli, maybe Katruj Kondua, Marketyad. Hinjewadi, of course, I think still would be my favorite. Places like Marunji and Hinjewadi, Wakad, locations like maybe Chandni Chowk, Baudan, because that is an extension of Kothur, and people would love to stay around the city. Baner and Aund definitely are always one of the most preferred location, because they are still the premium zones where one would like to invest. But then if you want to invest close to these areas, maybe particularly Baner and Aund, I think Balewadi and Piplinilak becomes a very good option.
Okay. So sir, if I would like to invest in East Pune, then what would be my major reasons that I would invest in East Pune? That why should I invest in East Pune?
See, East and West, if you compare both, in terms of Pune, I think there are 3 zones which are the major crowd pullers. That is, one is the West, of course, because of Hinjewadi IT Park, and East because of the Eon IT Park and all the other commercial hubs there. And definitely one of the main would be the Southeast sector. So these are the 3 zones where the market is growing right now. In addition to that, I think Viman Nagar and Kalyani Nagar, being close to people enjoy their social life. They are nearby to the manufacturing hub of Ranjangaon and Chikrapur. They are also adding it to the demand.
Okay, so
in terms of West Zone, I think West Zone particularly, I think the growth is very clear. You have the expressway which is connecting to Mumbai, and on the other side it's connecting to Bangalore and Goa Highway. The other big reason can definitely the IT Park, I think, which holds more than 150,000 people. It's already working there. South Pune, means in terms of the demand, means particularly the Katruj Kondua Road, the NIBM, the Mohammadwadi segment, I think they have been growing. The biggest advantage, I think, for this particular area is they are very close to the MG Road and the camp, which is the central part of Pune, and that is where the demand comes from. Majority of the people who are looking for the residential use, I think they prefer these kind of areas, because you have all the top schools like CBSE and ICSE just close to their vicinity, and which would be just walk away from their residence.
So as we can conclude then that if I would like to invest, the best places of investment will be either East, West or South.
Absolutely right.
Okay. So coming to our last question, I would like to ask you that is it the right time to invest in the property?
As I said, the market is quite right now, and secondly, there are huge numbers of end users today. It becomes an ideal time to purchase a home now, so that the customers can live. The price appreciation which we have forecasted will surely happen. That's for sure, because the kind of festive season right now coming forth, I think lots of developers, they are going to come up with lots of offers the offers have been designed in such a way so that it would benefit the end users in a better way. So I think in terms of the right time to buy, I think I would still put my bet, yes, this is the right time to buy, because this is where I think the people or the buyer in particular who's looking for a good home, maybe a first investment or a first home kind of thing, or maybe as a second home investment or a normal investment, they would definitely see good prices, because majority of the developers, which I would not say that they have reduced the prices, but definitely there are lots of attractions which are there in the market, maybe in terms of free stamp duty or registration charges. There are no floor rise available in the market. You can see the offers like, you can get a discount up to 10 lakh rupees. There are various developers who are promoting the schemes for maybe a furnished apartment or value additions. Now, whenever you get these kind of value additions, I think definitely it's adding the value for the buyer as well, because in terms of prices they are going to save a lot, particularly in the coming season. If they would like to invest, I think this is the right time.
Okay, so thank you, sir, for your time, and looking into the value addition, you have added a lot of value to us, and now we have a lot of pointers and lot of point to think about, that why we should invest the property, why we should invest in Pune, when we should invest, and why this is the right time to invest in the property.
Absolutely right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes,
Thank you for your time.
I would still send a very clear message to all my listeners out here and those who are watching this. See, Pune has always been the best market to invest. It's whether you compare Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, or maybe Delhi. Pune has always been because Pune has always been the buyer's market in terms of investment and the first home choice. The kind of prices that are available in Pune, I think definitely suits the end user. And I think you can easily fetch a property between say 4,000 to 5,000 per square foot in the exteriors, and maybe 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per square foot in the interiors or maybe the prime zones of the Pune. So I think definitely yes, Pune still is the most preferred choice for the investors and the first home buyers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for very much for this your time, and thank you. And to the listeners, we had very valuable feedback from him. I hope this will help you to make a wise decision and to invest in the property. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time to listening to us also.
Thank you. Thank you very much.